Okay, it's going to work some variations of overhead presses. Kettlebell overhead presses, there's the push press, there's the jerk press, there's the military press, different purposes for different exercises. The first one I'm going to teach is the push press, okay, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about how we lower the weight and get the weight back to the rack position safely and the benefits of different ones. So, use a swing and rack the kettlebell. The first one, we're going to use a push press, okay, taking the weight above the head to the lockout position. So it's a dip of the knee, okay, I flex the hip slightly, flex the knee. From that position, I push above the head, okay. So there's very little on the shoulder going on there. A lot of it's coming from transferring energy from the foot, from the hips to above the head. Now from that position now, I'm not going to lower the weight eccentrically in a slower position. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to let it drop to my chest. Almost as I'm stood in a box, and either side, I can't take my arms out to the side like you would do in like a typical pressing movement. So from there, the weight is just going to drop to my chest, and I'm going to accept the weight into the rack position. I dip the knee, push, and accept. Okay. For example, if I was going to do, say, a normal standard press, where I would just be pushing the weight up, and if I wanted to lower it eccentrically, I can do. But this is not typically using what you call a strength endurance exercise. This would be more of a 8 to 10 rep range or a 3 to 5, depending on what your goal was. But typically if you was doing a repeated exercise, such as the clean and the press, or just as many presses as you could do over a few minute period, you would want to push and accept. Dip, push, and accept the weight down to the chest, keeping the chest, the kettlebell nice and compact, elbow rested close to the hip. So we've got a variation of the push press. We have the military press and the jerk press. Press variation, thank you.